Okay, here's your green one. Reach up. Good. Oh, get a good hold of it. Drop it in the green cup. Yay! Oop, oop, drop the red one. Here's the red one. Here you go. Reach up here. There you go. Drop it in. Yay! Green one. Reach up. Oops. We knocked it out. There we go. Drop it in the green cup. Drop it in. Let go. Right there. Drop it. Yay! Here's a red one. Here you go. You gonna reach up here? Good reach in. Drop it in. Right here in the red cup. Drop it in. Yay! Green one. Reach up. Reach up. Good reach in all the way. Oh, you got it. Drop it in. Drop it in. Yay! Last red one. Last red one. Good grabbing. Oh! Y'all let it drop too fast. Let's try again. Where'd it go? Oh no. We lost the red dino. I found it. Here you go. Reach up. Reach up. Drop it in the red cup. Drop it in. Drop it in. Let go. Oh, you can put those fingers in your mouth. No fingers during school. Yay! Yay! Last green one. Reach up there. Last green one. Good reaching. Drop it in. Yay, Jordan! Yay, Jordan! Yay, Jordan! Which one do you want to play with? Boy, you love that bingo dog, huh? Bingo dog it is.